अरे भैया चलो
कहाँ चले? घर में क्या है?
घर में बीवी है।
इसकी बीवी अभी आई नहीं है।
हमारा पास तो नहीं है।
वो तो बराबर होता है।
एप्रिकॉट। कहाँ चले?
घर व्हाट इज घर?
नहीं घर।
घर अच्छा
क्यों चले?
बीवी के लिए। After years and years of roaming around India, we ended up spending 222 beautiful days in a heaven called Manali under Indian lockdown. This is part of the tale and it starts from now.
Yeah, we are the celebrities of the green carpet. Because it's free!
Okay, so here, look at my backside. We have fall colors. Awesome, isn't it?
Yep.
With these guys.
We are hiking to Lamadugh.
Manav.
Yes, everybody is Manav, but then I'm specifically Manav. We are hiking up to Lamadugh and we have stopped for a small little break.
Sure. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do, as I'm about to upload a lot more of the experience we had in this fantastic town over the next few weeks. Wind blew my hat way down. Okay.
Oh, भाई पीछे देखो.
Another half an hour, 20 minutes left.
Done?
Half an hour, yeah. Thank you so much. Take care.